4 out of 5 software engineers are unhappy in 2024. That means that there is an 80% chance that you yourself are unhappy with where you are as a software engineer. And let me tell you, it's not your fault. You see, you've been lied to. Big time. It began when you were still in school. It carried over into your job today, and it's still being spread by software engineers everywhere. On YouTube, on college campuses, in person, at conferences, everywhere. And when I uncovered this lie, my life completely changed. I landed my first 6-figure software engineering job in my junior year of university. I then went on to climb the corporate ladder at various Fortune 500 companies with record-breaking promotions. And last but not least, I eventually went on to found the 7-figure B2B consulting firm that I run today. And in this video, I'm going to expose that lie that's holding you back. And once you understand the truth, your career and your life will never be the same again. But before I reveal the lie, let me ask you something. Have you ever wondered why, despite mastering new programming languages, algorithms, and frameworks, you still feel stuck? And I'm not talking about imposter syndrome. You're grinding through lead code problems, earning certifications, learning the latest tech stacks, but somehow it's not enough. You're putting in the hours, solving coding challenges, staying ahead of the curve, yet success feels elusive. Your promotions are slow, fulfillment is lacking and at an all-time low, and that dream job you've been working towards, it's still out of reach. Why? What is missing? Because the biggest lie we've been told is this. Just focus on your programming skills and everything else will work itself out. We've been told this over and over by our mentors, professors, friends, YouTubers, everybody, that if you just become the best programmer in the room, everything else, recognition, promotions, freedom, success, will naturally fall into place. But here's the harsh truth. Being a great programmer alone isn't nearly enough. And this lie, the belief that technical mastery is all you need, is why so many software engineers are unhappy today. You see, the truth is, the engineers who thrive are not just the ones who can solve the toughest coding problems. They're the ones who can navigate the real challenges of the job, which means dealing with messy legacy code, vague requirements, office politics, and real-world business problems. Think about it. You spend months grinding through coding challenges for interviews, solving complex algorithms, and memorizing God knows how many data structures. And when you finally start the job, what happens? You're not solving algorithm puzzles every day. In fact, you're not solving any algorithm puzzles. Instead, you're fixing bugs, dealing with unclear requirements, collaborating with non-technical teams, and solving business challenges that have nothing to do with lead code. The reality of software engineering is this. Your job is not just about solving technical puzzles, despite what we are taught. It's about solving problems for people. It's about communication, collaboration, and actually understanding how your work fits into the bigger picture of the business. And that's the part we're never really taught. I remember the moment I realized this truth. That mindset shift changed everything. Once I started focusing on my communication and actually learning how to navigate office politics, my career as a software engineer took off. I moved up the ranks, had a promotion every 8 to 9 months, went from junior to senior to manager level, and eventually built my own 7-figure consulting firm, which I run today. And a few of you have started to see similar results just from applying what you learned in a few videos of mine. Imagine the impact when you fully embrace this mindset shift. So, if you truly want to succeed as a software engineer, I beg you, don't just focus on programming. Yes, technical skills still matter, but they're just the foundation. They help you get your foot through the door, but past that, that's it. The engineers who thrive are the ones who can adapt, connect their work to the bigger picture, and actually communicate effectively. Rather than just thinking about the how, start focusing on the why. Why are you solving this problem? And once you start understanding the why behind your work, you'll realize something even more powerful. And that is that we, as software engineers, aren't meant to work for someone else forever. Even your dream job should be just one stop on your journey, not the final destination. You see, the skills that we develop, the problems that we solve, and the impact that we make all position us perfectly to become entrepreneurs. Instead of building someone else's dream, we should be creating our own. And if you want to learn how to do just that, you need to watch this video next. If you want more actionable strategies to take your career to the next level, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and as well as the newsletter down below in the description. As always, guys, thank you for watching and keep pushing boundaries.